How to turn off dark mode on Facebook Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to turn off dark mode on Facebook Mobile. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without any much delay, let's go right into the video. First of all, launch your Facebook application and then open it. Once you're on the section, make sure to log in or sign in to your Facebook account. Then select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then on this section, select the settings icon at the top right corner. This will let you access the settings and privacy page. Now scroll down at the bottom of the screen and you will see dark mode. Tap on it and then select the off button. Once you do that, as you can see that the Facebook has turned into the lighter mode. So in this way you can easily turn off dark mode on Facebook Mobile. I hope this video worked for you. If this video was useful, hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.